Miss Reid, one of your assistant principals, and I would like to take this time to let you know as parents how you can become involved in one or even all of our parent organizations to have your voices heard as well as your child's voice heard. Here at South Seminole Academy, whether they're learning at home or at school. Our first parent organization is our PTSA. SSA Parent Teacher Student Association is here to help the school, including teachers, staff, and students. Parent and local business support this year is integral to the success of SSA PTSA this year due to COVID. Here are some of the wonderful things that the SSA PTSA has been able to provide to teachers and staff and students. They have done Teacher of the Month recognition programs. They've provided small first aid kits in every classroom to help with the traffic within the clinic and hallways. They also have done teacher and staff appreciation acknowledgments. There's an Adopt a Teacher program which provides support within the classroom with items that teachers may need for students without asking them to spend their own money. We always take great pride in providing an opportunity for students to participate in the Reflections program through art, dance, and literature. Our final thing that I would like to mention in regards to PTSA is our SSA and PTSA Student Leadership Forum, which allows students to synergize, to share their concerns with what's happening around campus, and to make recommendations. This forum allows students to advocate for positive change to make our school even better.
The Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Award winner for the middle or high school category is South Seminole Academy PTSA, who is being recognized for their Student Leadership Forum. SSA PTSA teamed with the school administration to provide an opportunity for students from diverse background and interests to come together to share their concerns as well as highlight the positive experiences found on campus. Students working together help bring positive change to their school community. Congratulations, South Seminole Academy PTSA.
Hi, this is Dr. Coleman Baker, principal of South Seminole Academy, and I am so honored to recognize our PTSA for this award that they are receiving for embodying the principle and mission of our school. We are a leadership and advanced studies magnet and law, and through this venue of the leadership seminar, they were able to incorporate all of those concepts. Our students were able to voice opinions on ways to improve our school and ways to enhance student life. And I think giving students this voice is going to be instrumental in us moving forward in our leadership roles at our school. So thank you once again, PTSA, for this wonderful project. We look forward to many more. Thank you for giving our students a voice, and don't forget to storm the SSA way. We appreciate you. Thank you.
We would love for you, your students, and your family to become members and have a voice and share ideas with us. Anyone can become a member of the SSA PTSA regardless of where you live or what educational platform you're using for classes. If you would like more information on how to join, please email South Seminole Academy PTSA at gmail.com or visit SSA PTSA on Facebook and Instagram. Another opportunity for you to get involved is to become a dividend volunteer. All volunteers must be a registered dividend for SSA. Please go to the link displayed for information on how to register as a dividend. This must be done every school year if you would like to volunteer. My contact information is displayed if you have any questions or suggestions on ways to foster and grow our school, parent, and community involvement. SSA is also creating a business advisory council. Are you a local business person who would like to be a part of the SSA Business Advisory Council? We need your expertise to help guide our BAC in an effort to support the school through mentoring, internships, guest speakers, and other additional ways to support our students and teachers. Please contact Ms. Lucy Coker using the contact info that is displayed to sign up. We look forward to building this partnership with you. And now our Dean, Mr. Fernandez, is going to share how you can become involved in our School Advisory Council.
Hi, I'm Mr. Fernandez, one of the deans here at South Seminole Academy, and I just want to talk to you about one of the ways that parents and students and staff can get involved here at South Seminole Academy. At South Seminole Academy, we believe in empowering all students to lead, find their voice, and inspire others to find theirs. This is achieved through a commitment to academic excellence, providing opportunities to embrace cultural diversity, and developing student leadership within a global society. Our vision is to provide an exceptional educational experience that promotes student achievement and empowers students to demonstrate leadership skills through active engagement in current world issues. One way that we achieve this vision is with our School Advisory Council, or our SAC. The SAC promotes communication and understanding among the school's administration, faculty, students, the school board, the parents, and the community. The Advisory Council is a body of parents and citizens residing in the attendance area of the school and are encouraged to attend council meetings. The SAC is an important part of our school community, our school culture, and the way that we do things here at South Seminole Academy. If anyone's interested in becoming part of the SAC, they can contact myself, Mr. Fernandez, here at South Seminole Academy, either by email or by phone, and I will get you in contact with our meeting dates and times. Our meeting dates and times are also published on our website, and we are going to be doing those virtually through September, and we'll be doing those virtually until further notice, but we will be having them. And this is a great way to make a positive impact on your student school. And with that, I'd like to thank you for joining us. Have a great night, and don't forget to storm.
Thank you for taking the time to hear about how you can get involved, and I look forward to meeting you in any of these capacities.